NEQP Ransomware is another addition to the Djvu ransomware family. Like other associated strains of the prominent malware threat, this ransomware locks files and then demands a ransom fee to restore file access. Infections like NEQP ransomware can be distributed via software bundles, so if you tend to download freeware or pirated apps from torrent or cracked software sites, you may end up installing such threats. NEQP ransomware locks most of the popular file types, including photos, music, documents, and videos. During the file encryption process, NEQP ransomware adds the .NEQP extension to the affected files and leaves a ransom note on the user's desktop and in every folder that contains encrypted files. Once downloaded and installed, NEQP ransomware employs the AES encryption algorithm to lock up target files. Quite often, information stealers like Corebot and Redline are deployed alongside ransomware, and this allows hackers to access sensitive user information before encrypting the files. Therefore, it's possible for NEQP ransomware to use similar tools as well. After the file encryption, the ransomware demands a ransom in order for victims to obtain a decryption key. The decryption key costs $980, but the ransomware's operators will offer a 50% discount and only charge $490 if the victim contacts them within the first 72 hours after infection. The hackers can be contacted at support@freshmail.com and data restore help@airmail.cc. However, we discourage establishing contact with the hackers as there's no guarantee that they'll provide decryption tools after payment or even communicate with you. It is important to note that NEQP ransomware does not just encrypt data. Infections from the Djvu ransomware family may also attempt to delete all shadow copies of the affected files stored on victims' computers. This can make the document and data recovery extremely difficult, if not impossible. It's highly recommended that you do not attempt to pay a ransom for the decryption key, as this does not guarantee restored access to the encrypted files. The best course of action is focusing on methods that can help you restore your data and protect your system from similar threats. How do I deal with the NEQP ransomware infection? To protect yourself from the NEQP ransomware attack, you should practice safe web browsing habits like refraining from opening email attachments from unknown senders and downloading programs from unreliable sources. You should also have a reputable malware remediation tool installed on your computer. That way, you can regularly scan for elements associated with this troublesome ransom infection and other malware. Also, to reduce the potential damage of a future ransomware infection, please consider backing up your files on an external hard drive or cloud storage. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like Spy Hunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. Spy Hunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. Spy Hunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the Spy Hunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. Spy Hunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download Spy Hunter today. Thanks for watching.